everybody, it's John here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm just gonna read to you the email that I just received from Us Weekly on my mail, and the title of this email is Los Angeles windstorm creates Pacific Palisades fires. Which stars are affected? Okay, so I'm just gonna read to you. Los Angeles saw a threatening natural weather event, and its star-studded community has been very heavily impacted. An extreme windstorm caused by Santa Ana gusts sparked fast-burning brush fires at around 10 a.m. on Tuesday, January 7th, with drivers along Sunset Boulevard and Palisades Drive abandoning their cars to seek safety, according to the Los Angeles Times. Local areas were evacuated, including the celebrity haven of Pacific Palisades, located around about 20 miles west of downtown LA, where A-list stars are renowned for their sprawling luxury homes. Renowned stars including Tom Hanks and Rita Wilson, Ben Affleck, Jennifer Aniston, Bradley Cooper, Reese Witherspoon, Adam Sandler, Michael Keaton, Miles Teller, Michael Mann, and Sarah Sarnoff, Alan Bergman, Kathleen Kennedy, and Carol Carol Lombardini. I'm sorry, Carol, for your last name. All reside in their exclusive enclave. According to the Hollywood Reporter, the National Weather Service labeled the windstorm a particularly dangerous situation. Red flag warning event. This type of alert affected Malibu, the San Gabriel Valley, the San Fernando Valley, Beverly Hills, Hollywood Hills, the Santa Monica Mountains, the San Gabriel Mountains, eastern Ventura Valley, and coastal areas adjacent to the Sepulveda Pass, per the outlet. The Associated Press reported that more than 13,000 structures were put under threat. The origin of the fires has not been confirmed. Sandra Lee, the celebrity chef, 58, shared on Instagram Tuesday that the fires were nearing her house. Here's what she wrote. My house in Malibu has got me through some of the darkest moments in my life. I have loved creating it, embellishing it, building it, caring for it, and protecting it. I've cherished every moment I have had with it. As the fire draws closer, I pray for it. I pray for everyone in Los Angeles right now. What an incredibly terrifying moment for my community. She also continued with, as the fire reaches our doorstep, please stay in contact with each other. Community in times like these is our lifeline. We are all safe, but the fire is inching closer to my slice of heaven in Malibu. Days later, Lee shared that her house was still standing. I was able to go to Malibu late yesterday. It is with a heavy heart for my local community, yet the most shocked and grateful heart I shared my home, Avalon, still stands. That's what she wrote on Instagram. I could not believe my eyes to be one of 10 in my neighborhood of homes still there. I do not know how. I can only assume it was the quick action of our firefighters. Lee said she is in total disbelief and feels guilty for being a part of a bubble of these homes spared. I have such sadness for the people who have lost their lives, and a grief for the families who have lost their loved ones. There are no words to express my emotions as these fires still burn out of control, she wrote. My heart remains with everyone in Los Angeles, my numerous neighbors, and my two most beautiful girlfriends whose sick homes are gone. Lee ended her message by extending her thanks to the first responders. I hope you join me today to say a prayer for LA and our communities, she wrote. Thank you for keeping all of us in your thoughts. For me, I will thank God every day. So next up, Kate Beckinsale. Beckinsale, 51, mourned the loss of her neighborhood on Instagram. Hearing the winds last night, I prayed. I knew it would be bad. We had to evacuate many times during our life there. But the shock at the whole of the Palisades being destroyed is unthinkably horrifying, she wrote. My daughter Lily and I lived there for most of her childhood, and most of her childhood is gone. Her primary school, every shop or restaurant we used to go to with my parents and Michael Sheen's parents, and devastatingly most of her friends' homes. My heart is broken. Cameron Matheson. The General Hospital star, 55, revealed his home was lost to the fires, posted on Instagram. We are safe, but this is what's left of our beautiful home. our home where our kids were raised and where they wanted to raise their families someday. Aww. Here is the video. Well, the picture, you can watch it on Instagram. It's a Cameron Madison. Okay, you can watch it. Madison and his estranged wife Vanessa Marie Arevalo shared son Luke is 21 and daughter Lela 18.